Just waking up here because I'm not gonna have coffee this morning because of my mental challenge. I do lemon in here's my coffee cup. That's how I kind of start the day and get some open houses here today. So I'll have my cup of hot lemon water. Throw it in the microwave for about a minute and 35 seconds, warm that up. Wake up, read my emails, and let's go do some open houses. So the start of my day here. Get up early here in the morning and get going, and we got an open house that we got to go to. We're gonna sit in this one. Actually, whoa! Now you can actually see see me in the picture as I'm pulling out here in the morning. We're going to an open house. We're gonna sit in there from 10 to 5, but it's an hour and a half to get down there. I gotta clean the carpet in the master bedroom first because it has smells like cat. Just gotta get that taken care of before my open house. So I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So I'm in Walmart here. Gotta get carpet cleaning fluid and get going. So we're gonna do pet clean and refresh oxy. $20. Oof. Well, hey, it's part of making sure that this place is smelling good. And actually, the cleaner that I use is this Hoover cleaner right here. So if you guys ever need a decent cleaner, I'll tell you one, that's an excellent one. All right, let's get back on the road. So as we're gonna head out, hey, you know what? Chick-fil-A is on the way out there, so let's stop and get breakfast. And the drive this morning is going to be kind of not the greatest because I'm driving right into the sun all morning long for the next hour and a half drive to get out there, all the way out to the open house. But I'll give you an idea kind of how the day in life. I'm going to do a couple little snippets throughout the entire day talking about, what does a realtor really do to earn his commission? What's his day look like, or her day look like? So this is just one of my days on a Saturday with an open house, and we're going to be meeting some clients a little later at another house that we've remodeled, show them what we've done. They're buying a house that's closing on Monday, and we're gonna get our crews in there and start remodeling on that. And I'll do a video on that too. But we're at Chick-fil-A, waiting in line to get, I've never had breakfast at Chick-fil-A, so I'm not even sure what I'm gonna get. But hey, every day is a new experience. So I did order 2 bacon egg cheese biscuits here at Chick-fil-A. Long line, a little longer wait than I expected, so I'm gonna have to probably speed a little bit on my way out to my open house. I'll update you in a bit. I do have to tell you, first bite of this bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit, I see why one of my co-workers stops there every day and gets these. They are delicious. Okay, well, better get on the road and wolf this down and get out to that open house. So, setting up open house signs out here. So, last time I was out here, the sheriff stopped by and said I couldn't have any open house signs that were so close to the road. It had to be behind this fence post. So I'm definitely behind that fence post. It just, usually I like to put them out a little closer to the road. But anyway, hey, that's the life of a realtor. Trying to figure out the best spots to put your signs and to draw as much traffic in as possible. So this area is extremely, got a lot of people out today walking around. Must be neighborhood pickup day because people are all over this little area. And it's like when you come into this area where I'm going to do this open house, it's like a park reserve. Oh, hey, there's a coyote. You see him there? So setting a couple more signs out here. Good spot. So we're gonna set sign right here. Right here is a good spot. There. Put a couple rocks. Kind of hold it so it doesn't blow over. And then let's go put another one on this corner. So as we got people coming down that road, in case they don't see that one, they'll see this one over here. That way it goes that way. I always set the open house signs too, farthest out from the house, coming into the house. That way, you set it up the other way from the house going out. Sometimes you'll have people waiting at the open house and they get impatient that you're not there, and they see the open house signs sitting right in front of the house. So I start them always farthest away coming into the house or the development, and then have plenty of them around the house so it screams open house. So pulling up to the house right now, and let's set the rest of the signs. So I had a couple extra signs left, but we got open house signs, you know, here and across the street. So just in time, got it opened up here by 10 o'clock, and let's get going. See if we get some traffic through here. Well, got the house, got my cleaning supplies here. This has a little peppermint in it. Cleaning supplies to clean the carpets, simple green. What I'm gonna do is, that smell, you know, there's some cat smell in here. I just gotta get rid of it. So I'm actually, usually we have a cleaning crew come in and clean, and that actually did happen, but I don't think they did a really good job. I'm real particular about my listings, and so I got my handy dandy mop, and I'm going through all the entire house cleaning, because I have cat allergies and I can smell it. So I want to hit this with the carpet cleaner and get this all cleaned up, so that way everything is ready to go before my open house opens. So that's part of my day, and I got to get this done quick. So doing some power scrubbing, trying to clean up. We got some staining, doesn't look good. Got to do some general cleaning here before the open house, so I'm trying to get all that taken care of. So open house is going good. Today we've had about 5 people come through now, or 5 different groups come through, and not bad. One of them actually I actually did get some information on. He wants me to find him a house in his price range. So that was great. So I got a future client out of this open house today, and it's about time to start shutting things down. And I'm gonna go meet some clients at another house that we did a remodel on, show them what we did in there, and go from there. But I'll show you a quick tour of this place. Well, looks like I got another customer coming up. I better get going, see what he wants. By the way, looking at a remodel. This is kind of some of my clients. Well, these are my clients. Joseph.
We're on. Yes, hi.
Yeah, we're looking at a remodel that is in process here because they're going to be doing it. But just wanted to tell you what I'm kind of up to.
Mm-hmm.